Video I'll be speaking to you about why we do not get that job satisfaction. I am also working. I do go to a school and work, and I was feeling the same thing as you all feel. Why I'm not satisfied finally. I'm not happy with my work. Why it's happening to me? Even though it's my favorite job, this is what I wanted to do, but I am not enjoying. To be frank, I can give my own experiences. I have changed my job around four times. It's like 6 years I'm working in this counseling field as a child psychologist, and I've changed my job frequently because of many reasons. I can say because I got a good offer, because I felt I should move on. I'm not growing. So finally, I had reasons to leave the job. I had my own reasons to leave the job. That's the reason I left. Present, I'm working at a school, and I when I joined to that school, I was not feeling good about it. I was feeling why I've taken a wrong decision, why I'm here. I started comparing the previous job and the present job. I was trying to see more negative in the present job. When I joined recently, I started thinking like this. I think why I am doing this. Why did I take such decision in my life thinking that it will work? I'm traveling a lot. I'm not at all happy with my job. So I had a lot of aggression inside. I was not happy inside finally. So later, after few weeks, I felt I am losing myself. I felt I am not doing what I want to do. Finally, I thought that I am sensing a lot of negativity in me. I too, as a counselor, felt the same thing as we all, because we all are humans. We all feel the same thing. But I realized doing this and blaming the job and saying that I am not getting job satisfaction, it's not the work problem, it's not the company's problem, it's not others' problem, it's finally my problem. I was the one who felt I'm not happy inside. I was the one who felt I am not at all happy. Many people whoever works, they are not happy with the pay. They're not happy with the salary. They always say that what is this kind of pennies they give me. They are comparing companies like that and saying, they say wherever I'm not happy. So finally we have a lot of reasons to blame. We keep on blaming everything, but actually satisfaction, happiness, everything starts within you. Once you start feeling it's happening well, it's going on well, the day will be good. If you affirm and tell to your subconscious mind, as I've told in my previous videos, subconscious mind is amazing. The day, that moment, if you say things are really going well, you start feeling it, you start thinking it, and you start doing it. So finally, end of the day, you are happy with the job. So never ever say you're not satisfied with the job. You're not blaming the boss, you're not blaming the company, you are blaming yourself here. You are the reason why you're like this. So I was the reason why I was not happy with my job. I was the reason why I left the job. It was not others' problem. It was not at all job's problem at all. It was my problem. So keep in mind, if you want to be a happy person, if you want to be if you want a contented life, try to accept whatever comes to you, whatever it is. Be as much as flexible. People are different. Bosses, they are different. They may not adjust to you, but it's your responsibility to adjust to things. So, what I would say as a psychologist is the satisfaction, finally, the job satisfaction starts within you first. You start accepting the place. You see things, you see first positive things. Point number one is start seeing positive things at the present job and appreciate the salary what you get. You are not appreciating the work, you're not appreciating the salary what you get, and you expect more from the company, or you will be thinking to change the job. How long you want to run away from the job? Finally, it's you who will be facing life. So this was the message I want to give to everyone whoever says I'm not happy with the job, because wherever you go, there are many people whom you face, and finally they may create problem or they may have a good bonding with you. It's just up to you. It's up to you how you treat people. It's you who are responsible for everything. Take care of your subconscious mind. Talk, think positive. The day you start doing it, many things in your life changes. Thank you for watching my video.